In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. You can also switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next up, completely close the app and relaunch it. This will refresh the session. Next, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is launch settings. Go to General, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can upload or delete the unused apps. Likewise, find Disney Plus and launch it. Now clear cache for it. Click on Upload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Next up, head back. Click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Lastly, try to log out and log in back to your account. And finally, if none of these steps work, check Disney Plus server status to see if there is a temporary outage. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.